Hi, my name is Glenda. I live in the UK. I am an operating room nurse. I am a wife and a mother to my two sons, and I'm a proud global online entrepreneur. I am not going in there. We just went through this little hole here. And no, I'm not going there. How it looks like. Pass through the little holes that the boys went through. It's actually beautiful in here. Look at that view. I'm scared to go there. I don't know where the boys are now. They left me because I'm walking very slow. Hi, my name is Glenda and I would like to invite you to our live online class every Tuesday nights and Thursday nights. I'm going to post the schedules for every country down below. See you there!